Fine girl, how are you?
Kai, she is Bani Oromina.
Sorry now. See, my name is the one and only Shima in the building.
Kai, my brother, she is inside. Wallahi, she is coming out and ubanka. My brother is not taking nonsense for. Kahi.
See, leave about your brothers. Now your brother will come marry you. Eh? Your brother will come marry you. See, make I tell you something. You know, say I like you. I'm a thief guy. I won't marry you, carry you, go Benue State. Yes, now.
Danchibi.
Yes, now.
Kai, she is Danchibi.
Go, thief, bok.
Halikiai. Danchibi. Danchibi, she is killing people like animals. Danchibi, every time, and Danchibi, she is killing people.
The thing, and because of the insecurity way in Nigeria, the thing where they happen, move for our state, they happen, but me, I go protect you. Now.
Okay, I finish protecting yourself.
Me, I go protect you.
I finish protecting yourself.
See, for Benue, we get Benue yam, Benue mango, Benue rice. Every season things they Benue.
Oh yo, me she is like Campo Mangoro.
You see?
Andoya, yam.
See, when you come there, they use our rice, they do touch in kafa, and they do masa. You know, sir?
Me, if I come in there, I do for jollof rice. I like for jollof rice, go. And yes, I eat for tuwon shinkafa, so daya haka.
Now I know you should. Can you give me your number?
I get her for wayo wallahi.
Don't be wayo. This one I love now. This one don't be wayo.
I get her for root Amy hankali.
See, don't worry. I'll give you your number.
Shipilita question.
You say?
Jiro guy.
Okay.
Yo,
I'll call you. Sorry, what is your name?
My name is Halima, but you can call me Halis.
Halima, me, I'll be calling you Halima.
You're calling me Halis?
Halis. Okay. Because of you, I advise things here with your mama. Me, I will marry you.
Wallahi, Danchibi, she is fine. Danchibi, she is beautiful. Danchibi, she is